In today's video, I wanted to discuss the best budget massage guns. Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Sullivan from Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. One of the most effective ways to help loosen up tight muscles and feel better is to use a massage gun. So there's lots of different massage guns out on the market. There's a Theragun, there's Hyperice, there's all these different cheaper ones you can buy on Amazon. I wanted to go over the top 2 budget massage guns I recommend. So the first one I want to discuss is by a brand called Hyperice. So Hyperice was probably one of the first brands on the market along with Theragun to make massage guns. So this is the Hyperice Go 2. Hyperice started making this model a couple years ago, and what's nice about it is it has the benefits of their larger massage guns but at a cheaper price, and for honestly most people this is what I would recommend. What's great about this is it has a couple different heads that it comes with. So it comes in with a larger circular head, and then it also has more of a pointy head that comes with 2. But this is a good quality brand. And Hyperice, if you have any problems with it, you can contact them, you can get replacement stuff, whereas with Amazon and some of these other knockoffs, you're not sure what quality you're gonna get. The Hyperice Go 2, I found online right now is actually at a discount. It's probably about $110. It used to cost about $150 to $200. It's come down quite a bit in price, and that's great because this is a good quality massage gun and I highly recommend it. It's also not too heavy. The ergonomics are pretty good on that, and it's got 3 levels of speed and intensity that you can use with the massage gun. One negative of the Hyperice Go 2 is I wish it came with like a round circular head. So a lot of times these massage guns come with like a ball attachment, and I find that's really effective at getting deep into the muscle but also not too uncomfortable, and you can slide it over the muscle tissue or over the clothing a lot easier than some of these other products. You can buy those online, and a lot of times they're interchangeable. You can just fit them in. But yeah, this is a great product. I highly recommend it. I'm going to put all the links to the products below, and so you can click on the links to see the best price for these. But the first one I recommend is the Hyperice Go 2. And again, they make a Hypervolt Pro and a Hypervolt Pro 2. Those are a lot more. You're looking at $250, $300. And honestly, for the average person, this would do about 90% of what you need to do. The second budget massage gun I recommend is called the Bob and Brad massage gun. It's the C2 version. So Bob and Brad are 2 physical therapists that have a big YouTube channel, and they've come up with some pretty good products over the years. And one product they came out with several years ago is this massage gun. What's great about it is it's not as powerful as the Hyperice's product, but it has 5 levels of adjustment, and for the average person, honestly, you can get the right amount of percussion and the right amount of vibration that you would need from this massage gun. It comes with several different attachments. It comes with a carrying case. One of the best things about this massage gun is it uses USB-C to charge the cable. So a lot of the times, like Hyperice and Hypervolt, they use their own proprietary cable, and that's a pain if you lose the cable. Then you have to order a new one, whereas with the Bob and Brad, you can just use any cable and it'll charge it right up. The Bob and Brad massage gun comes in for about $100. And again, you want the C2 version. There's a couple other versions. There's a smaller version. I don't recommend that as much. The C2 version, which is this one, has a really good ergonomics to it. So unlike a lot of massage guns where the handle is more round, this is more like a gun style, and it's a better grip, and you can get a better grip on it. And for people that have a harder time with some of the heavier massage guns, this is a great alternative. And I've used these for years in my office and never had a problem with it. So I highly recommend you check out the Bob and Brad one. And again, it's about $100. What I found is that's kind of the sweet spot. Anything less than that, you never know what you're gonna get. You can get some good quality ones, but you know, again, they're usually knockoffs and they're not gonna be as effective, and the reliability is not as good. And then you can go really high end. You can go to like Hypervolt and the Hyperices, the Pro models and stuff like that. But you're looking at, you know, $250, $300, which again, they're quality products, but you don't need to go to that level for the average person. These budget massage guns will do about 90% of what you need to do. So again, you can check out, I have the links below. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks.